From the plains of fear, the journey moves southward toward the Gjir Mountains, where rows of gray stone roofs stretch across the slopes. Gjirokastra, the city of stone, preserves one of the most complete examples of Ottoman-era urban structure in southern Albania, with the Gjirokastra fortress as its commanding centerpiece. The fortress was first built in the 12th century during the Byzantine era and later expanded under Ottoman rule. Its hilltop location offered sweeping control of the Drino Valley, a strategic corridor linking the Ionian Sea with the Balkan interior. For centuries, Gjirokastra served as the administrative and military heart of southern Albania. The fortress housed ruling families, served as an arsenal, and later functioned as a political prison under Ottoman authority. Historical records suggest that its towers were once equipped with heavy artillery, underscoring its key role in the region's defense system. Smoke and fire signals sent from here once warned of invasions from the west. After Albania declared independence in 1912, the fortress was repurposed as a national military garrison. Between the two world wars, it became a major weapons depot and a training ground for border defense troops. Today, the interior hosts a military museum displaying weapons from ancient times to the modern era, including an American fighter plane that crashed in Albania in 1957, a haunting reminder of Cold War tensions. The fortress's prison cells, used to detain political dissidents throughout the 20th century, have been preserved as part of its historical legacy and now serve as spaces for reflection and education. Since 1968, Gjirokastra Fortress has also been a stage for culture, the site of Albania's National Folk Festival, which gathers traditional performers from across the Balkan, transforming the ancient stronghold into a vibrant open-air theater. Architecturally, the fortress combines Byzantine engineering, local stonework, and Ottoman design principles. Its underground passages, granaries, and cisterns were crafted to sustain long sieges without external supply. Recent restoration programs have focused on reinforcing the wall and restoring the original slate roofs to withstand the region's harsh mountain climate. The fortress is not merely a relic of military history. It embodies the relationship between architecture and landscape, showing how people once turned geography itself into a tool of defense and harmony. Today, Gjirokastra fortress stands as the enduring symbol of the city of stone, a place where visitors encounter not only the marks of war and authority, but also a deeper story, the resilience of memory against the erosion of time.